say no sugar coated love.
Good morning, you guys. Today we are leaving our hotel, the Sunlight Guest Hotel. We are going to El Nido from Coron. Thank you, Mike. And we're about to take a 4.5-hour ferry called the Montenegro, and that is our last stop for this trip. I'm super excited to get to El Nido because there's this place I really want to visit called Nacpan Beach, which looks beautiful. So we're gonna head there right now, and I'll see you soon. We don't necessarily travel light, do we, Mike?
Man, and probably 2/3 is camera gear.
That one case just for the underwater camera.
Actually, this is quite comfortable. They were stacking all of our bags in front of the bathrooms. So I think
that'll be interesting.
You have to move 50 bags.
I'm wondering how that's gonna work out in an hour when everyone's trying to go to the bathroom.
We made it.
Mike, how was your trip?
Sleepy, watched some Rick and Morty, had a nap, listened to some music, ate some noodles, ate some saltines, now we're ready to party.
It seems like we keep showing up to construction zones, wherever we are, wherever the ports are, but we're here in El Nido now. So for the rest of the day, Mike and I checked out El Nido. We ate at this amazing place called Art Cafe and walked the streets of downtown El Nido. Now it's pretty small, so you can see this whole place pretty quickly. We saw that there were a lot of scuba diving shops, but since we just came from Coron where the best scuba diving was, we figured we didn't really need to, and we also did a tour back in Coron. So we ate some amazing food, and we checked out some of the popular bars here, which are Sava and Puka Bar.
Still got the feeling that you're next to me.
And it is now the next day, guys. We have fully rested from last night. Mike and I have come out here. We rented some motorbikes today, and we're going north to this place called Nacpan Beach, which we actually got a recommendation from Los LeBlanc. He told me about this place. And I was
Hey,
like,
yo, Christian.
I gotta go check it out. It looks amazing. So we've seen the pictures. We got the drones. We're gonna go there, check out Nacpan Beach. We've met up with some friends here. Ireland is where they're from. We have Tanya and Shirley. I call her Shangley. But yeah, we are riding up to Nacpan Beach now, and it's your first time in El Nido as well, right?
Yeah, first time.
And where are you currently living?
Dubai.
Dubai. Because
Yeah.
why?
Because I work for Emirates.
Oh my god, I'm so jealous. I want to work with Emirates as well. But like on a different way, work
You
with
just
Emirates.
want first class.
Yeah, I just want first class. So we have now made it to Nacpan Beach. We kind of timed this wrong. There's a storm coming, it looks like. We have taken shelter in this little boat right here. And you can see the storm clouds way over there. It looks like it's raining over here. Mike is in the storm.
It's all for us! And that guy over there!
Basically, we've come to the far end of Nacpan Beach where there are no huts or anyone. So it's kind of just paradise. You got this all beautiful, beautiful beach. It still looks nice being a storm coming in a second. I'm gonna take up the drone and see how that goes. But on the way here, it was super muddy. We were driving through all these puddles and stuff, and look at this. I took a little bit of damage on the road here. This is all mud and then covered in sand in the shoes that are supposed to be white. So, a little bit of damage.
This time, no, no. This time, yeah. This time, no, no.
Gentlemen, we have a judge / camera woman. Her name is Laura Jane.
Laura Jane, what up?
Easy, but I held your ground. Still I get nothing honest from you.
We're still up.
Excuse me, but I won't buy into your.
Right now, the sand is whipping down the beach and it's coming, and it feels like bullets or like a million needles coming at your face. But a dog just stole their shirt and ran down the beach with their shirt. So that was pretty funny, but we got it back. Maximum effort.
Oh, it's shallow. Oh, right on my elbow.
so, we've come down to Las Cabanas Beach Resort, and Mike has been teaching us all kinds of flips and tricks. I just learned a better handstand than before, as you may have seen from the photo.
He's a good learner.
And Mike just taught me this thing real quick. We've only done it once. It's like a handstand and then a summer, like you'll see.
I feel like it's like a transformer movement. It is like a joking breakdance move.
Optimus Prime.
It's called the Optimus Prime.
All right. Let's see if we can do this first try.
Oh yeah, that felt good. Bend, shoulders, crunch, crunch.
Oh!
Bend, yeah.
All right.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, and then guide the feet down.
Nice.
Very graceful.
Bend. Okay, now bend. Now bend.
We've established that she can do it.
Yeah, Shirley is the problem.
Shirley's,
As we all know. Oh, damn Shangli.
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
All the way down the beach.
TKO. My spine is telescoped.
But we're at the beach bar now, and we're getting food, and we got these swings. It's pretty amazing.
I stay in bed. I still got the feeling that you're next to me. Stuck in my head when lights go.
And this morning, we are saying goodbye to Mike. He is fearless. He is far. Thank you so much for everything, Mike. It has been a fun adventure.
We had another epic round of adventures. This time underwater, abandoned places.
Everything. Everything, yeah.
And a lot more beaches than Mexico last time.
Yeah, exactly. Next time, Mexico round 4, probably later this year, we're gonna be doing a lot more fun beaches and exploring abandoned things and cenotes and all that. So we'll be seeing Mike again real soon. You're heading off to Mindanao to continue your adventures. So check out Mike. He's gonna be here probably for another couple weeks in the Philippines, going with Dan Marsh and Brett and Finn.
Yeah.
And some other cool people all around the Philippines. So check them out if you have not already. Subscribe. And thank you so much for the fun adventure, man.
Always.
It's been a good time.
My trike's here, so I'll catch you
All right.
in Mexico.
All right. And that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And this is the end of the Philippines series. I want you to comment down below what your favorite video has been in this series and who you would like me to collaborate with again, who you like seeing in the videos. I'm already on my next adventure here in Norway, and the videos are already insane. So make sure you're subscribed and you have notifications on so you know when another video comes out, because you're not gonna wanna miss these Norway vlogs. Thank you again, and until next time, explore the world.